Hey everybody, Brian Fauster with the Elevation Group. Now, if you've been online, if you've been in, watching social media or looking at the mainstream news anytime recent in the past, few months, there's a lot of crazy things happening right now when it comes to investing and getting returns, right? You're seeing Gamestop, right? That thing just skyrocketed. It was incredible. Stock market hitting all-time highs. Think about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. They're going up like crazy, and there's all this talk in social media and the mainstream news about what is possible and all these gains. But here's the thing, it's very scary because I see people jumping in or wanting to jump in based on what they're seeing in the news or on social media. But here's the catch, if you're seeing these opportunities in social media, on the mainstream news, it's typically already too late. Those that are talking about the big gains they got in at the ground level, so they got those big gains. But if you're seeing it at the, this late in the game, it's almost already too late. And the risk to get in now is extremely high because it's very speculative. So I want you to be very aware of that because 99% of investors, they don't have the right knowledge, they don't understand the right risk tolerance they have, and they don't have that inside information as to what is really going on behind the scenes. So be very careful if you're getting excited about jumping in right now on things that are being talked about on social media and the news. So that is what we do here at the Elevation Group, though. We actually love to look at opportunities, but not public ones that are actually private, that are at the ground level. That is what I love to do. And so if you want to follow us at the Elevation Group, go to theelevationgroup.com and join us on the inside there. With that, take care and look forward to seeing you on the inside.